Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my March BoxyCharm unboxing. My box came a little late this month, which I was kind of disappointed in, and I was supposed to get the March Boxy Luxe box and I never got it. I emailed them, I'm just waiting for them to reply, but I was kind of upset. Like, I got this probably like 3 days ago. It's not that bad, I still got it in March, so I'm not all that mad, but I was expecting my Boxy Luxe and that's why I was like kind of okay with it taking that long. But I still got the regular box, so I'm kind of confused. But anyway, enough about that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. So the first thing I see when I open the box is the card, which has all the products listed and the price and what the products do on the back of the card. So this month's theme is La Vie en Rose. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's a cute little card. It has like little flowers and yeah, macaroons on it. It's cute, you know. So the first thing in the box is this Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And this mask retails for $34, which pretty expensive, but it's okay. So this mask is supposed to instantly purify and replenish dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of the enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. I'm going to insert a clip of me applying the mask. This is my first time using it, and I actually fell in love with it. I'm using a matte foundation today, and I don't know if you can see my skin, but it's glowing. And the mask was super like rose gold. It made my face look like a whole disco ball. I was feeling the vibe. I liked it, and I liked that it was pink too, because pink is my favorite color. But this mask for sure brightened my skin. It definitely made my skin super smooth. It made the application of the makeup so much smoother than it usually is. So I'm definitely going to be using this because it's super pretty when you put it on, and it just leaves my skin so soft. Like, even now with the makeup on, it's super soft. So the next thing I see in the box is this Moda brush set. So I've heard of this brand. I've never tried any of their brushes, but from the looks of it, they look pretty appealing. So we're gonna try this out. So it comes with 2 brushes, which is pretty cool. So one brush is a powder brush, and then one is, I think, a highlighter brush. Let's see how soft they are. So these brushes retail for $29.99. They have like a rose gold handle, and it's kind of tapered at the end, which is very cute. Wow, they're super soft. This is supposed to be a powder brush, but I'm gonna try it for blush and contour, see how it works. I like the way it feels under my eyes. I love doing this. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one, but it's just so therapeutic. So the next thing I see in the box is something I've been waiting for, because I wanted to buy this, but I was like, you know what, don't. And I'm so glad I didn't, because it came in this month's box. So this is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. So on the back it has all the shades. It retails for $45. It has 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. This formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. So it comes with 2 highlighters, 1 gold and 1 rose gold. Comes with a contour shade, which I feel like this is perfect for contouring because it's not too cool and not too warm at the same time. I feel like it's the perfect in between. It comes with a blush, which I think this is a little too pink for me, but we're gonna try it out anyway. And then a finishing powder and a brightener. The brightener looks kind of shimmery, so I don't know how I'm gonna use that, but I'm gonna try out the finishing powder, the contour, the blush, and then the gold highlight. I don't know about the brightener. And what? It comes with a dope ass mirror. Oh my god. How did I not notice? This is perfect to travel with too. I'm definitely taking this on my trip because I'm going on a trip in like 5 days, I think. April 3rd. I'll be on a cruise. I'm super excited, and I'm definitely taking this with me because it's like super travel friendly, super compact, and it comes with a big mirror, which is perfect. So I'm gonna use the brightening powder. Not the brightening, the finishing powder. It kind of made my under eyes a little shimmery, which I'm not really feeling, but it's whatever. Now I'm gonna go in with that contour shade, and I'm just gonna bronze up my skin. I don't really contour on the normal, like unless I'm doing a cream contour. Let's see how pigmented this baby is. So I'm just gonna bronze up my face like I normally do, and I'm gonna use this powder brush that came in the Duo. And it's not super pigmented, which I kind of like, just because I like building up my bronzer rather than it being super crazy. I feel like this brush will be better for blush, just because it's a little bit more dense. I'm gonna try the bronzer with my normal bronzer brush. It's a little dirty, but it's okay. Oh yes, see? It applies better with my brush that I always use. So I'm gonna go in with the blush, and it's called Sublime. And I'm just, ooh. I don't know how pigmented this is, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. Yeah, I can do it. Oof, oh yes, see? That's pigmented. I mean, I like it. So now I'm gonna go in with the gold highlight in the palette, and this is in the shade Divine. So this brush is supposed to give the highlight from within type of look. So let's see if I can get my face to glow like it normally does with this brush, because you know I love my Morphe M501 for highlight. That's like my go-to. Ooh, okay. I get what they mean, because this is just making me look like I'm glowing on myself. And this highlighter is super pretty. I actually really like this highlighter. So the next thing in the box that I see, there's only 2 more things left. So this is the brand Appeal. I've never heard of this brand. Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow. This retails for $21. I never heard of this brand before. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna try this on my eyes today because I just got these lashes done yesterday. I don't want to put anything on my eyes for at least 48 hours. So I'm not gonna try this, but I will swatch it on my hand. Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow. This is highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow. Is exactly what your vanity was missing. This liquid formula adds a multi-dimensional shimmer to your eye look, giving it that sparkle that looks almost unachievable. So yeah, this is gold, and oh my god, the tip, it's like a brush tip. I don't know if you guys can see. I feel like this will look nice over a neutral eye, or like something just to add on top of a shimmer, just because it's kind of yellow for my liking, but it is shimmery. I've never tried liquid eye, like I've tried the Stila liquid eyeshadows, but those are more of like a glitter kind of eyeshadow. This is just a shimmer. I'll test it out, I'm pretty sure, and I'll let you guys know, but Alright, so the last thing in the box was this Ofra liquid lipstick, and this retails for $20. It's a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and yeah, pretty much it. I think we've gotten this in January's box, I'm pretty sure. And I'm pretty sure I got like a similar shade. I think I got a burgundy shade, and this is like a pinkish rose gold. I would not wear a lip like this, but I'm only gonna try it on for the sake of the video. We're gonna see how it looks. But honestly, I don't think I'm gonna like it, just because it has like glitter in it, and I don't know if I'm feeling that. But the shade is Monaco. I'm kind of scared, guys, because you know me, I'm a nude girl. Oof. I don't know how I'm gonna like this, but I'm just gonna do it because I didn't try on the eyeshadow, so I gotta try on the lipstick. But look at it. It's like, I don't even know what color this is. It's like pink. This is not me, guys. You know, this is not me. I mean, it's alright. I'll probably give it to my mom because I don't really like this, and she likes stuff like this. Sorry, it's not the most perfect application, but you know, I'm just gonna take it right off. It's matte and it's drying pretty quickly. I mean, I like the shade. I feel like I would like the shade if it didn't have any sparkles or shimmer. Like, I don't understand why they add shimmer to lipstick. That's why we have gloss. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm gonna be using what we got in last month's box, the Better Than Sex mascara. Just gonna be putting that on my bottom. let's see how much this box was worth. Guys, I'm shook. This month's box retailed for $150. I'm not lying. $150 and you only pay $21 a month. So is it worth it? Yes. You're not gonna like all the products you get in a box, but majority of the time I put them to use, or I can give them away to like say my friends or family. But you got $150 worth of products for $21 a month, and all products are full size, so I feel like you can't really go wrong with something like that. Like, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and just remember, if you are looking for a new subscription service, BoxyCharm is where it's at. Full size products, $21 a month, and this month's box was worth $150, so you really can't go wrong. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I've been slacking lately, and I apologize. I'm trying to be more consistent, but like, you know, life sometimes just gets in the way. But you know, summer is coming, and summer just makes me happier. I don't know about you, but summer just gets me in a better mood, and I have so much more that I want to film. I'm going on a trip next week, so I'm gonna be vlogging, so I will be posting my first vlog when I get back. Hopefully everything works out the way I want it to. But yeah, I will definitely be posting some type of footage from my trip, because I am going on a cruise, and this is my first cruise ever, and it's also my first girls vacation with 2 of my best friends, so we're super excited. I haven't been on vacation in like 2 years, so well deserved. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I apologize for me recording this unboxing super late in the month, but I got my BoxyCharm late, so please don't blame me. Blame them. Don't blame them, but it's not my fault. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. You already know. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.